Greece like Santorini. Ooh. Dave, man, Dave, you're sick, bro. You're sick. Sick. Okay, guys, back again. Erkin here with another edition of Buy or Buy. I have a very, very special guest with me. No, it's not a person. It's an Air Max. Let's get it, shall we? Shall we? Even the box looks like serious bee's knees, mate. Look at that. It's like a care package. Massive. This Air Max is a 720 special edition from Odell Beckham Jr. Pop that over there. Straight away. My heart starts racing. Look at that. Odell Beckham Jr., the NFL star. He has designed these bad boys. Look at those. And of course, my passion for the 720s has just gone up a notch. I just want to show you this cool little thing. Look, you can actually take the tongue tags off. They've given you an extra one. Giving you like a little packet where you got extra laces. So you've got that or that. 2 of each, so you can just whack them on, mix and match, you know. Or you can just leave it plain. Look, that's the tongue tag. Velcro would attach to, and you know, you can strap it off anytime. Overall, I'm loving it. I am loving it. Very different from the normal 720. Look, even inside, it's got like a wooden laminated effect. Look at that. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna pop these on very quickly so you guys can see how they look on foot. I'm gonna switch up the angles, so I'll see you in a minute. Back here with this beautiful shoe. This is called the Air Max 720 Desert Ore, and overall I love it. It is a buy from me, not a buy. Color wise, it should have came out earlier for the summer. With a light pair of jeans or chinos, you could actually pull these off in the winter. I feel like they are a bit chunkier than the normal 720s, but you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. Look at these. They are beautiful. They stand out, you know. Everyone's going to look at your feet and be like, bro, what you got on? These are a real eye catcher for the good reasons, not the bad ones. Leave some comments down below and let me know what you think. Anyways, guys, that's it from me. Hope you like this latest edition of Buy or Buy. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and until next time, take care.